Hey champs! Social Champ has introduced a free plan unlike any in the market. A plan with unlimited powerful features and integrations. To cater to all your needs, free plan is actually free and can be used for an unlimited time. Learn how you can avail this free plan with Social Champ with our step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. Visit Social Champ's pricing page to see all available plans. Find the free plan and click the Get Started button. Go ahead and add the necessary details and go through the sign-up process. You're done. Now you're subscribed to the Social Champ's free plan. If you find yourself subscribed to the free 7-day trial and would like to move to the free plan, then follow these steps. Navigate to the top right drop-down and click Billing Settings. Click Change Plan. Select the Downgrade button under Free Plan. Click the Subscribe to Free Plan button on the right. Great work! Now you know how to subscribe to Social Champ's free plan.